Just a few minutes from the iconic beach of Benirras and the village of San Miguel, this finca is peacefully located in a valley surrounded by nature. The plot is flat and it boasts mature vegetation that gives an atmosphere of quietness and absolute privacy. The outside space around the house offers a large swimming pool with a terrace and different areas to enjoy the Mediterranean weather. Just by the main entrance of the home, we find the covered terrace with summer dining and chill-out area. The bright, spacious living room with the dining and open fireplace connects with the fully equipped kitchen. The sleeping area consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of them is with a bathroom en suite and access to the rooftop terrace. The property is a dream retreat in the north of the island, surrounded by nature with lots of privacy and wonderful views to the countryside. To summarize, the house is built on a plot of 7,000 square meters with 200 square meters of constructed area and offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It has an active application for touristic rental license, making it also a great investment. For more information and viewings, get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!